Hey guys, Ding from Ding's Workshop here. Today I made a puzzle for my son. It's essentially 2 blocks of wood interlocked together and the objective is to separate them. This project is pretty straightforward. I used a piece of scrap wood and some dowels. I have no idea what this puzzle is called and I have no idea who came up with the idea, but if you do, let me know in the comments. Now to solve one of these, all you need to do is, that's it. Well, this is a little awkward. The only dowel I was able to find is a 3/8 inch dowel. And I've only got a 1/2 inch or a 3/8 inch drill bit. The 1/2 inch on a 3/4 wood I think is going to be too big. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and drill the hole with a 3/8 inch bit, and then I'll just find some way to trim down this dowel a little bit. Okay, now I have the 3/8 holes drilled on these 4 pieces. I'm going to drill 2 more 3/8 holes right at the center of these 2 long pieces. Okay, turns out using this trick doesn't seem to work too well, but what I did notice is using a 3/8 inch Forstner bit, this helps a lot. See, now the hole is much cleaner. Okay, so like I said before, this hole is 3/8 and then I only have the 3/8 inch dowel, so this fit is going to be super snug. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll go ahead and reduce the diameter of this dowel. Okay, now that I have my dowel's diameter reduced, I'm going to cut it just slightly shorter than the depth of this hole. Okay, now I'm going to round off the newly cut edges of the dowel so that it can help the dowel sliding through the channel. Pretty good. Okay, first of all, this is not conventional at all. So what I have here is a rolled up piece of 400 grit sandpaper, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll just turn on the drill press and then try to clean up the inside a little bit, make it more smooth. Surprisingly, it worked extremely well. All right, now all the pieces are ready to be glued up. Now one thing to remember is that before you glue the other side, make sure you put in the dowel. This is your only chance. Now I have the glue applied, just drop in a dowel and then glue it on here. Okay, now we're just waiting for the glue to dry. Do I have enough clamps? So after sanding, I just applied a layer of beeswax and that's about it. And now we can just go ahead and assemble the puzzle. To assemble the puzzle, all you need to do is just have them interlock with each other, like so. And then give it a little shake. The dowel will just lock in place. And it's not going anywhere. There you go guys, I hope you like this video. This project was pretty fun to make and pretty straightforward. And definitely a lot of fun to play with. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would also love it if you can subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.